This is Kosho. This is the Edge 540 from Hacker and Twisted Hobbies. And Mr. Keith wanted to see me fly an airplane, so this is going to be a street flight. Just did backyard flight and ran into a tree, so we'll see how this is. Down the street. Quarantine. It is raining. But I'm gonna hang it on a string anyway. Hover. Vacant house at the neighbors. See, cowboys out here, we wake up early so it doesn't bother anybody. And it's silent. I love electric. Oh, snap.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Touch and go. I've flown RC my whole life, everybody, so don't get upset if you're still learning. It does take a long time, and this isn't my best day of flying for sure. So, but like riding a bicycle, you've got to use training wheels first, and from training wheels we go to experience level.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Your training wheels may be a timber right now. The timber is still capable of doing hovers in my hands. And other planes we got out there. Let's see, I really like the Slick Extra that we sell at Horizon Hobby. I believe it's the Slick Extra 480. It's a good little plane. I had one of those till I smashed it in the ground. Some torque rolls.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Someone's driving a car on my runway. Draw a square in the sky. Ooh, Batman. How about a figure 8? No tricks here, just a lot of flying. Starting to rain again. But it's foam. It's like a coffee cup, so really doesn't matter. Plus my radio's a little dirty, I'll wipe it off. Someone wanting stick inputs? Here you go.
Time remaining.
This is airplane stick maneuver. My thumbs move a lot. No, I don't pinch. I think thumbs are faster, and I've always flown with my thumbs. You'll hear a big debate about that, but it's whatever you're comfortable with. Hover input. Whoa. See, I can't do it, you guys. I gotta hold my radio where I'm used to it. So it's like a ghost town on my street. No school buses, no people. Kind of weird. I love the way this little plane flies. It flies so good. The air's actually going reverse today. It's coming from this way. Yeah, it flies so good. Little pattern. Roll.
20 seconds.
Let's do a perfect loop. Pretty perfect. 45. Knife edge. Roll. Oop, messed that up. Straight down line. Roll. Oop, rolled too far. The timer scared me, everybody. Let's do a special landing. This is for my buddy Keith in Arkansas. Oh my god, you guys, she's fucking flying away! That was a joke. Hope everybody enjoyed that. This is the Co Show on another special day of sanctuary. Thank you.